Hi everyone, I'm Kristen. This is Windmills of My Hair and I'm going to do the fastest cut. It's so easy to do. When you have long hair, you feel like, oh, I just want my hair cut today, and you kind of know what you want. I don't know, but you know you don't want that length cut off. So I just first I kind of like find out what's going on there, and as you can see, it's kind of like wisped out. So hello, so that's just all the breakage, but so you can see all this wispy part, and that's the part I'm going to cut. I don't know why this side is heavier than the other side. And I just left a little bit of a little bit there so that I could just do the tips. I really don't want, I really don't want it to be uneven, but I also don't want it to be too jaggedy like that. Does that make any sense? So now I'm gonna do some single partings vertically, and I'm gonna do them all the way up so that whatever, those little pieces there will just fall. That's how you know. And it's falling really nicely. So the only reason I'm doing this in here is because I want this inside layer a little bit shorter than that one. So you can see that. So I'm going to do that on this side too, the nice little vertical. This is my side of my hair that's way thinner than the other side, I should say. And I don't know why they say that happens. Yow. Okay. And there goes that hair. It's all going down. I didn't grab a piece from this side, so I'm gonna feel around there and get me a guide there. Okay. It's hard to do, but not hard to do. You know what I mean? You have to concentrate, and you have to find a way to see what's going on. Oh, I see it's right there. That's that middle piece. Again, I wanted it to be shorter. Get that wispy guy out of there. And I just did that. Voila. So now I have these like sort of wild layers that are gonna be fun to style. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna totally blow dry it, and you can hang around for that, or please like and subscribe so that we can do more fun things. As for this part, right now I'm not unhappy with it. It is dry and probably needs a trim, but I'm gonna save that for someone who can get to the back of my hair and make a nice even line. So I'm back with a little blow dry. As you can see already, just taking a little bit off in the front there makes it super smooth, etc., etc. I am not going to blow dry it smooth. No, I'm going to use some mousse. So this is some mousse. If you know my videos, I went to Marshall's and got me some mousse really cheap. This one is great. It's from RUSK. It smells really good. I mean, not that that should be your criteria for buying things, but I have returned things that do not smell good and could care less if they worked because they smell so bad I don't want them on my hair. Anyway, this is like a great control mousse, and it also will help me get the texture. Like you can already see how it's working on the damp hair. It's not even damp, my hair really. It's like, oh, this trim looks great. So I could just even let it dry like this and I'd have a nice sexy look. But I am going to use my, oh my God, does it say Bionic? My Bionic hair dryer. Okay. Come on, work. Damn it. I dropped this thing so many times it probably doesn't work. All right, wait. Okay, yeah. Okay, that one's, I'll get another one. So I know this one looks stupid because it has a sticker on it, but sometimes I put stickers on things. Anyway, let's load up with more mousse. You can put as much mousse in as you want. This is great. I'm doing a kind of middle-ish part, like a messy middle part, but I'll probably put some lift in here. Let's mousse that up. Mousse. Okay, I'm gonna flip my head for this portion of it. So hold on. Okay, I just did the underneath of my hair. There's no diffuser or anything. It's just a lot of this. I'm gonna rub on this part. And just hold it up to get the lift. The mousse does like all the work. So you can see how I'm still getting like great control here and just a soft, disheveled look. It's not too dated or anything. It's great. Still a little damp in here, so I'm gonna dry that a little bit more. So yeah, I did use the twist technique a lot. Oh, I love this. And the reason I did that is to keep it controlled. It always keeps it from getting too big. So that's great. Yay! I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please come back, like and subscribe. I'm also on TikTok, on Windmills of My Hair, and Instagram, and I hope to see you there as well. Bye!